This Desi chicken karahi is simple, flavorful, and incredibly delicious. Make sure to watch the full video. You won't regret it. Let's get started. 750-gram Desi chicken. Let's make the fresh masala paste. 1 whole peeled garlic, ginger, 2 green chilies. Crush it. Crush it until it turns into a smooth paste. Transfer it into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it and set aside. In a wok, heat 2 tablespoons Desi ghee. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 1 medium chopped onion. Sauté until the onion becomes soft and translucent. Add the chicken pieces to the pan. Cook for a few minutes until the chicken changes color. Add the crushed garlic, ginger, green chili masala. Mix well. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon salt. Cover and cook on low flame for 45-50 minutes until the chicken is fully tender. Uncover the pot and cook on medium flame, stirring often until the oil separates and the masala looks roasted. Finish it by add 2 tablespoon yogurt. Sauté for a minute. Then pour in 1 cup of water. Bring to a boil, then turn off the heat. Time to serve it. Grab a serving dish. Transfer to a dish. Garnish with fresh coriander. Make hot fresh roti. Serve hot with warm roti. And enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.